谢谢。Wow, there are so many people here at the bund because today is their national, what's Tano in English? Anyway, they have this national traditional holiday season. So many people here. I've never experienced Shanghai. Let's keep going.
That famous one. So they have like they eat everything.
Yeah, we can even eat stone. Your business, marketing business?
香是
哇，好吃！海肠，海这个 ocean maybe
Let me try this truffle one.
好吃。
好吃。哇，
这是有着1700多年的历史，是上海。
so it's a lotus scene for the temple. So it's
Wow.
a Chinese.
Beautiful. Crowded, so crowded, so crowded. What happened?
Cut and
Ah, let's pick Jing'an.
给您放到里面，不是放单独放这儿吧。
Morning, guys. Just finished the shower, and today I'm gonna go to the Prada house to have a brunch. Let's pick one of the mask pack. Bio collagen, rejuvenating. Oh, hydro. But I have 20 minutes for today. I'll just use this. Oh, so hangover right now. Let me quickly dry my hair too while you are having hangover and doing makeup. I was thinking of two outfits for this product. First one is black and white look. Second one is sky blue-ish skirt, which is more pure. Black and white would be more chic. That should be my choice. I think I already have the answer. So for today's outfit, I am already wearing this black trouser, and I need to pick the blouse. This lemongrass color silk blouse. It looks very luxurious when you actually see it. This one, I really like this top. It's very Chinese style. Let's pick some accessories. For a necklace, I'll definitely go with pearl. Oh, it's so elegant. Dang, this is everything. Finally, for the earring, I have something in my mind. I'll go with the Chanel. I'm ready. And since I'm a little bit late, let's just go to the brunch store.
On the right side.
Guys, I finally arrived at my brunch place. This is the Prada house that I visited last time. I really like this place, so I booked this place. It's so chill, and I think it's the best place, especially when it's raining, because the vibe here is so classy. Let's cheers. I just came to this dinner place. It's called Shanghai Club. I just wanted to try some really local traditional Chinese food like Peking dog or dim sum. So I picked this spot, and it's also the club. The first thing I wanted to do in Shanghai was clubbing, so I picked this Shanghai club. So I think this is gonna be my final schedule for today. I feel a little tired like already, but we still have some more days in Shanghai, so let's enjoy dinner. Let's try xiaolongbao. Sip the water first. Wow. I love Chinese food. This is the curry, the packing duck that I like the most among all of these Chinese food. And you see that? It's really foggy. Today I was planning to go to Disneyland with my friend, but my friend texted me that too busy. So I think I'm just gonna chill, shopping, and go to the museum because visiting art museum is always my favorite thing to do. So let's get ready quickly and enjoy the day. Oh, I almost forgot this. Before I change my outfit, let's do this unboxing for the Olive kit. I don't know what it is. I just visited Olive Young to buy a little bit of skincare products, and then they gave it to me, and it says it's the Olive kit and Olive Young with Pokemon. Ta-da! Olive kit. They have a lot of stuff inside. First thing is the Orthomol, is the vitamin. This is the retinol. It's like eating type. It's like super retinol. It's your pure moment. Purica Greens experimental kit. I think another healthcare product to it. The next one is Mediheal T3 Cica pad. It's a small pad that you can patch on your cheek. The next thing is Bioderma, the Sensi Hyo micellar water. I believe this is the cleaning water. Foman Cotton Baby signature perfume. It's a small perfume. Another cream like the Cica. I think it's similar to what I've been applying to my face. Serum, the cream. Another body lotion. This is literally the gift box from the Olive Young. Okay, now it's time to pick the blouses because I've already cute skirt for today. One is like denim, one is like just cute sky blue blouse. So let me try both. This is the second look. This top is more glamorous and gorgeous style. It's sleeveless design. I think it's a good match with this skirt especially. It looks like it's just one set. Let's pick one and finish my hair. Guys, I've arrived at the MAP. It's the biggest art museum in Pudong area in Shanghai. And today we have a modern art solo exhibition of Moderni. I really like Morandi and I've never been to Morandi's solo exhibition in my life before. So I'm so intrigued to see more. And beside that, it has a really great view here. It's right in front of the Louis Vuitton area, so after you look around all of the art pieces in here, you can also enjoy the view of Pudong. Anyway, in a rainy day, especially on Monday, favorite thing to do can be enjoying the art pieces. So I'll take a walk and see the exhibition from now on. Guys, I've just arrived in this lunch place. This place is at the hotel. I've never stayed in here, but I always wanted to enjoy the meal here. And it's too humid, it's too humid. Let me just drink beer first. 캐비어 다 흘렸어. 브이로그 하다가 캐비어 다 흘렸어.